Hi guys, I'm going to be teaching you about combustion reactions, also called burning reactions. You've obviously seen something burning before, but have you ever actually thought about what's happening when something is burning? There's actually a lot of chemical reactions happening, and I'm going to show you an experiment today, which I like to call the fire snake, which takes a look at some of the cool things that can happen. This isn't really something that you should try at home, but I'm going to show you something that you can do at home that's kind of similar. First, let's take a look at the materials I've got here. I've got an aluminum cake pan, and I've got a little bit of dirt in here. And that's just for this sugar and baking soda to sit on. I also have some lighter fluid, which I'm going to put a circle of in the middle. And then that is where I'm going to put some sugar and baking soda. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the fire. And again, this is not something for you to do. This is for something their parent would do. So I'm going to light that. And I'm going to light this. And let's take a look at what happens. Pretty cool, huh? Let's take a quick look at how it works. When I lit the sugar and baking soda, it started a combustion reaction. A combustion reaction is when the molecules that it's made of react with the oxygen, which is in the air, and it starts to break down into different materials. When I lit the sugar, it turned into two things mostly: carbon dioxide and water vapor. Carbon dioxide is the gas that happens when you breathe out. And water vapor is like when it's really humid outside and you can feel that there's water in the air. When I did this to the baking soda, it did the same thing. It made carbon dioxide and it made water vapor, but it also made something else. It made something called sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is the black stuff that the snake was made out of. The snake grew because the pressure from the gases being released pushed the sodium carbonate up, and that's why the snake grew. I think that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you something pretty similar in an experiment that you can do at home. You've probably actually already done it. Have you ever thrown a marshmallow in a campfire? What did it do? Did it turn all black and bubbly? I bet you it looked kind of like the sugar snake, didn't it? That's because this is actually very close to the same process. Now keep in mind, this is something that you need to have a parent with you because of the fire. Here's a quick look at what happens when you do that.